Surbhi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Lakme sheet mask. If you guys know that I am seriously a huge hoarder of sheet mask, I have tried each and every sheet mask there, be it Face Shop, Tony Moly, Nykaa, Garnier, any sheet mask you name it, and I have tried it. I love them so much, and I really love the concept of sheet mask because it is so concentrated. Like in one sheet mask you get so much of hydration, so much of goodness of all the serum and the qualities that your skin is actually in need. So I absolutely love that, and are so various ways. Like you can include it in your skincare, you can also use it as a nice base for your makeup, and so much more you can do that. So I absolutely love it. Now I am going to show you the variants that they have. Is the strawberry one, then the kiwi, then watermelon, and the pomegranate one, and the other one is the lemon, which I have already tried. And once I tried that, I just quickly thought that I have to make a video now. It's a high time. It is so good. So which one to pick? Let's pick the pomegranate one because it's hot in summer and I just want to do it. Now make sure that before you apply this sheet mask, your face is very clean. Your face should have no gunk, no oil, no sweat, no makeup, nothing on. So I have actually washed my face completely, and it's bare face. It's my bare face. I have not applied anything on my face. So this is the Lakme blush and glow Fruitalicious sheet mask in pomegranate. It smells like a real pomegranate. It's so good. I really love it. And I'm also going to share a few hacks that I always keep on doing. Okay. Once I have applied this, I won't be able to talk much. So let me tell you that once I'm going to put this on, I'll leave this for 15 minutes, and after that we will see the results. See, as I said, it fits my face perfectly. It's not too big or too small. It's perfect for my face. So much hydration. I can't talk much, guys, sorry. But it's so soft and so good. Feels so refreshing. Just press the product in and just massage it. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. Whatever is the leftover, I am going to take it in my hands, in my palm. And I'm going to put it all over my hands, my neck, even on your knees. That is really good. Now 15 minutes has passed, and just let's remove this one. Oh my goodness. Can you see the amount of hydration stored in my hand? I'm just going to massage. Now you don't have to apply anything, or you don't have to wash your face, because I always get this question that after applying a face mask we have to actually wash our face. No, you don't have to wash your face. If you are applying a makeup on top of this, you have to wait at least for good 15 to 20 minutes so that all the hydration, all the serum seeps inside your skin, and then go in with your moisturizer and whatever your routine is. But just give this time to settle into your skin, because then only it's going to show off the results. Now one thing which I love about these are, this is like Fruitalicious, as it says. It has so many fruit variants, so especially in summers when you need a good hydration, you also need the goodness of fruits, which I absolutely love with the Lakme one. Then these are super affordable. Obviously it's only for 100 rupees, and it is so cool and so hydrating. It's amazing. And I cannot tell you, but this actually gives me so much of serum. Like I have used so many, they all are concentrated, but especially this one, because of the goodness of fruits, It's super hydrating and thick on my skin. Like, I can actually feel it. It's beautiful, you know. If you will use it as a base for your makeup, after 15 to 20 minutes it seeps into your skin, the base is going to look amazing. And trust me, if you're adding this in your nighttime skincare, then you don't have to worry a lot. Just give it 15 to 20 minutes, apply a moisturizer and sleep. If you are not going to apply a moisturizer, that too is fine, because it's enough. It's more than enough. My skin looks so juicy, so glowy. I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a really good sheet mask this summers, you have to invest in Lakme. This is going to give you so much, like a hydration bomb kind of thing. I love it.